In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can download the YouTube Create app. So this is the app. This is how the interface looks like. Edit with AI, and this is how the interface looks like. I have a long review on that. So now let's open our Play Store since we are using Android. And this is it. And one thing you should know is YouTube Create app is not available in every country, right? So if your country is not accepted there, you're not, when you search it, you're not going to see it. You're just going to see YouTube and YouTube Studio. So what you need to do is you need to get a VPN, like a free one at that. So let's use Windscribe VPN. You select your best location, which is going to change it to London, right? And when you open your Play Store, since you already have the mail to your location, it's going to be very, very hard. What you need to do is you definitely have two emails. It's not going to be a time like you have like a single email on your phone. You have two emails. What you're going to do is select the new email that is not signed in, right? Tapping on your profile there, you see I have 3 other emails. Just switch the account. And when you switch the account, since you have the VPN on, it's going to take effect, right? Good. So now you can search YouTube Create whilst your VPN is on, and it should pop up. So you see it here. So when I turn off the VPN and I switch to my normal account, which is my old Gmail, which has no location change on it, when I search YouTube Create, it's not going to appear. So now you switch your email, your VPN is on, search it, you get access to download it. When you're done downloading it, you can turn off the VPN. You can use it without having the VPN on. And that's it. It's very, very simple to use. You just have access to apps that are not in your location for the meantime. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.